Hello everyone, Christina here, your tech director. Today I want to give you a quick tutorial on how you can edit a listing consultation in Command or a buyer's consultation. So I'm going to share my screen with you. We'll go ahead and get started. Now, first things first, you'll definitely go to Command, which is agent.kw.com. And we're going to go to Designs. That is this on the left side, the paper with the pen or the paintbrush. So once you click on Designs, we are going to go to the top right and click the blue Create Design button. And then since we are doing something that most likely you will print, however, you can also email it, don't worry. We're going to click the Print button and then the blue Continue button. So this is going to load all of the different marketing materials that you can print. We are going to focus on either the buyer's presentation or the listing presentation. And both of those are found in here. Under buyer, you would do buyer's presentation. And then under listing, you would do listings and then listing presentation. For this example, I'm going to show you the listing presentation. Once you click that, you have different options here. So just scroll through here, figure out which ones you like. There is even options here that narrow down as a booklet or as a letter. I'm just going to select this first one and you click the red Use button. Once this opens, it's going to open the Design Studio. And a key thing to note, how you do this the proper way is you're going to see all the different templates on the left side here that you can choose from. You do not have to use all of these. Okay, so when you're looking through this, decide which ones you want to use. You can preview them by clicking on it and it'll pop up here in the middle. And then obviously that's a little small, so you can click this plus sign down here where it says fit to zoom in and be able to read it easier. Now, the most important thing to know, if you want to add this to your listing presentation, make sure you click this plus sign at the top left of the document. That says add new page. Once you click that, it's going to make it pop up over here where it says pages at the bottom right. When you click that, you'll see now you have a blank page. It auto-populates a blank page in there. You can remove it, don't worry. But you will now see that page that you just added is right here. Now, the reason that's key is because any changes that you make by clicking on here, and now you can type whatever you want. Once you are finished with that page, and then you come over here and you scroll and find another page you want to add, and click the add new page. Any of those changes that you made to that page before this one will save because we added them over to this right side where it says pages. If you did not do that step, your changes will not save on the left side. So basically you're going through here, you add your pages with that plus sign, it goes to the right side. Once you're finished with all your changes, then you'll go up here to download at the very top. You can click PDF for printing or JPEG or PNG if you want to download one of the pages, possibly just to email to a client or even to post on your Facebook, for example. And then PDF, I would recommend for printing, the PDF for printing. And that's as simple as it is. All right, if you have any questions, just let me know. Have a great day.